Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the project and importing your base assets so you can act immediately. First, make sure the app has camera and storage access. This avoids interruptions when you save or import. Once done, pick your canvas size and turn on the grid and snapping to align elements precisely. You should import photos or transparent PNGs now or create a new layer. This sets a clean workspace so subsequent steps are faster and less error-prone. You'll now refine each sticker. Use selection and erase tools to clean edges and crop tight to reduce unnecessary space. Then apply color corrections or filters to match style. Add text layers with readable fonts and adjust size and spacing. Once satisfied, group related elements and set layer order so overlapping parts render correctly. Make sure to lock finished layers to avoid accidental changes, and preview exports to confirm You finish by exporting each sticker using PNG for transparency or WebP to reduce file size. Keep resolution and file size within platform limits. Then package stickers into a pack and add names, tags, and required metadata so sharing is seamless. When uploading, follow platform rules for dimensions and file counts. If something fails, check app permissions, confirm you exported with transparency, and verify layer visibility and file formats. That quick troubleshooting often resolves common problems immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.